I've got all my clothes on one side. Then I'm gonna put like accessories. I got my boots. I'm just gonna throw these boots in this dust bag and put all of my cosmetics and like toiletries and stuff in here, and then I should honestly be good. I've shown my packing to you guys before, but basically I try on all my outfits ahead of time and see how I like them with like the shoes, the accessories, everything. Then the way that I pack it is like I'll just fold it into piles of like which outfits I'm gonna wear together, and like which pieces I'm gonna wear together. And I keep it all together as outfits so that way I know. Another thing I used to do is like sometimes I'll take photos. If I have like a ton of outfits, if I'm going for like a week, I'm only going for technically like 24 hours, like a day. So like if I have a lot of outfits, I'll take photos so I can remember what I paired with what. But yeah, that's basically it. It's like very simple. I feel like everybody packs like that nowadays, but it's just always worked for me. And yeah, I woke up early this morning. I set my alarm for 5:30. I ended up waking up like closer to 5:50. Showered, washed my hair, packed, finalized a few outfits, and then yeah, that's basically it. Got all ready, and well, all ready as in like did my skincare, put some concealer under my eyes and a little bit of blush. I still need to do my hair. And I think I have to stop at the store because one of my outfits needs sheer tights. So before I get to Rihanna's, I'm getting to Rihanna's, then she is going to drive us to the train station, and then we're going to take the train. Before I get to her house, I think I have to stop at the store and just get some like sheer tights to wear with one of my outfits. But yeah, that's basically it. It's going to be freezing today, I'm pretty sure, and it might rain. So fingers crossed that it doesn't. It looks so sunny outside here, but obviously we're going 3 hours away, so we're gonna find out. Finished my hair. It was just like a quick simple blowout. Usually my mom does my hair and she does it with a smaller blowout brush, so that's how I get all those like curls and waves in it when I have my hair blown out. But this is my like more like straight, kind of a little bit, I don't know, flipped in blowout, but it's a good base for, I brought my curling iron, so I'm gonna curl it in New York, but I feel like it actually looks pretty good. And my hair has been, knock on wood, really healthy. And since I had my little box dye fiasco a little while ago, like last year, it's actually been really good. The last time I dyed it, I think it was last February. It's almost been a year, and I'm getting my hair done at the end of this month. And I'm just like adding a tiny bit of like face framing layers and a tiny bit of like color brought up to the top, but I honestly really like the color. If anything, I want to tone it a little bit less like blondie and a little bit more brunette, but like still with like a little more lightness here. Hairdressers will understand what I mean. I don't know how to articulate this properly, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do soon. But anyways, it's 8 o'clock. I think I need to head out pretty soon, like in 30 minutes-ish. Right now I'm basically just going through, I made a Google Doc of everything we are going to be doing. Timestamps of ideally when we'd like to do things, what kind of pictures and locations we want to get inspo from, and like where we want to do it, what outfits we're going to be wearing, all of that. I know it sounds a little extra, but to be honest with you, a lot of these kind of like content based or like influencer trips, this to me is a work trip. Like, yes, it's going to be fun and entertaining, and like we're going to be doing things along the way. I forgot to mention the whole reason I'm going is there's a Stony Clover Lane event tonight at 6. So we're mainly going for the event, but I also have a lymphatic drainage massage tomorrow morning, which is just an added perk, and I have a meeting with a talent and social media management agency tomorrow that I have been meaning to meet with, have only met with via Zoom, and it just kind of worked out that we were able to meet in person, which was amazing, which was a complete like random thing that happened. So I have a meeting tomorrow and I have an event today, but we decided to make a whole work content related trip out of this. So it can get pretty overwhelming when you have a lot of things you want to do. I also have a lot of paid content and content to just shoot for brands. And truth be told, I live in Western Massachusetts. So for me, getting content around Western Mass is just not really something that happens too often. Like Rihanna and I try our best to get content. But for the most part, where I will be shooting most of my content will be like New York and Boston. And I just don't live in the city. So for me, when I go to the city, I'd like to absolutely make the most out of it. And this just really helps. Like, it's so much easier to do it this way. And then you know exactly like what you want to get and what you want to wear. And you know, you have the times and everything. And I wrote everything out. So I'm just like, I'm that kind of person though with everything in life. Like if I have to meet you for dinner at 5, I know I need to shower at 3, start getting ready at 3:20, leave at 4:45 because there might be traffic and I need a place to park and blah blah blah. Like I'm that kind of person that like I plan everything by the time, and some people might think, oh my god, that's anxiety inducing or like psychotic, but to me it actually relieves my anxiety, because otherwise I either don't budget my time correctly, or I think, oh my god, I don't have any time this morning. Like I didn't even need to wake up technically at 5 o'clock in the morning. Like I'm glad I let myself like sleep until almost 6, because I'm, 1, still tired, and 2, I'm sitting here with like some extra time that I didn't even budget for, and I'm able to like answer some emails and go over like the itinerary for the day. So that's pretty cool. And because of my little schedule, I was able to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the next little bit. I made myself one of these, I'm loving these La Colombe pre-made lattes. This one, I'm pretty sure, I think they each have 2 shots. One of them's a triple shot. I got like the variety pack from Costco. It's a vanilla latte. This one is the mocha, and I added a little bit of the Nut Pods peppermint mocha coffee creamer into it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's literally a peppermint mocha at home for free. Like, not for free, but like when I make coffee at home, in my mind, it's free. I just made myself a fat piece of avocado toast and some greens powder. Look at this cup, by the way. It's Pilgrims, but they're Dinkies, they're wiener dogs. How cute is that? I made some greens powder just, you know, for some health maybe. I also don't know when's the next time I'll be able to eat. I mean, we'll probably stop for coffee before, but like, I mean like eat like real wholesome like homemade food. So probably not till we get there at lunch, which will probably be at like 3. Just got to Starbucks, Mobile ordered us some drinkies, so I'm gonna run in there, and we're actually making amazing time. I'm probably gonna be early to her house, depending on how long this Starbucks takes. But yeah, I got us 2 sugar cookie cold brews, not cold brews, sugar cookie lattes. Just got in the Uber. Perfect, nice little quick train ride, like 1 hour. And now we're on the way to the hotel. So exciting. Our room. How cute is she? This is our view. Not sure what it's of, but lovely. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do.
I like these lights.
Hey guys, we just checked in the hotel. Duh. Quick outfit of the day. Okay. I have this little turtleneck moment. I think it's Eileen Fisher. This jacket is my mom's. These pants are actually Amazon. These shoes are Song of Style Revolve. And my purse, Fendi Girl, which Frank's dad actually had to repair because I broke the strap in Vegas one time. So, yeah. And then my sunglasses are Gucci. All right, Ray.
All right, the puffer, Zara. The top is Gap.
Nice.
Thrifted vintage jeans.
Nice.
Converse and Lululemon.
Love. Guys, we just got back to the hotel room. It's currently 5:10. We're probably gonna leave here around 6. So we just basically walked around, got some photos, explored a little bit, took a nice walk, stopped at the drugstore so we could get lashes and big water bottles, and now we're gonna start getting ready for the night. I feel like we need music, right? What do you think? I'm like excited. I haven't worn makeup all day, so I'm excited to like, besides like concealer and a little blush, I'm excited to like put makeup on and feel cute, and like I think I'm gonna curl my hair as well. Really?
Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was too.
Guys, we got to our dinner reservation and we were like almost an hour late because the Uber app would not plug it in because it's a new restaurant. So we made it here by the skin of our damn teeth, but it was so good. Ray got a legit mountain of cabbage on top of her ahi tuna. It was amazing. It's called the Hidden Leaf. It's like Asian fusion. It's so bomb. What was the highlight of your night so far?
Highlight.
Oh, let's do pits and peaks. What was the pits like worst part, and what was the peak?
I would say the worst part is trying to figure out how to tie the back of your corset, because apparently I don't know how to tie things appropriately. And then the best thing would probably be the fact that I'm eating raw fish.
Love that. My pit would also have to do with my corset, and it would have to do with the fact that my bosoms were flying out of it. Like respectfully, my boobies were just not having, they were having their own field day. Another pit would be getting dropped off at the Pendry Hotel as opposed to our actual destination in the pouring rain and having to run here and hoping that the kitchen wasn't closed. My peak was walking into the Dante Cafe or wherever the fuck we just were for that Juicy Couture event and seeing how actually adorable and cute they put it together, and Ray and I looking at each other and being like, oh my god, this is amazing.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone.
Guys, good morning. It's the next day. We woke up and went to La Colombe for some coffee. I went to Whole Foods for like some juice shots, and I got a coconut water. And now we're packing up the room because we have to check out at 12 and it's like 10:20. I have a lymphatic drainage massage at the Talks at 11. And Ray is gonna go get some content, maybe do some shopping, do her own work and stuff while I'm doing that. And then we have like an hour and a half after that to like hang out, catch up, whatever, I don't know, shop. And then I have a meeting at 1:30 and Ray has to go to a store to like get content for work. So yeah, we have a busy day ahead of us. Hopefully we'll be out of the city by 3. That would be like ideal, so we're not getting home super late. But it's been such a good trip so far. Very easy, very seamless. The rain threw a little bit of a wrench in our plans last night, just in terms of like walking places, but other than that, like everything's been good.
Oh yeah. That's so good.
I need to hydrate. You guys, we're on the train. We're exhausted. My meeting went well. Ray said she had a good day. We both kind of like are dead right now. Yesterday we did so much. Today we did so much. Overall, such a good, productive trip. But I think we need to go to sleep. Yeah. It's currently 4 o'clock.
Attention passengers, this is your 408 train to South Norwalk. The train will make stops at Stanford, Malone Heights, Darien, Raleigh, and South Norwalk.
Elevator up to the room.